completed. Means last week I have contacted the Zitrix Technologies for the review for this. There was small dash at the back of my car, and the light was broken there, and also the dashboard, or I would say the rear dash was completely, I would say, destroyed. Like it was not proper there. What I did, I contacted them, and they have cleared that what is the dashboard, and it's working fine now. It's very good, I would say. You can go over there and you can see that. Along with that, I have also included them to complete this, the front bumper also. The front bumper is looking good now. Now you can see that there is no other issues. It's properly done. There is no color mismatch. Everything looks like a unique one. So this is what this thing is running. I would say it's good. Also the other small marks which are present on my car, I think that will also been taken care of. So I would say a big thumbs up for this one, and thanks for all the courtesy and all those pick up and all drop from this particular Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. And would you recommend GoDigit and Zitrix Car Service to your friends and families?
Means they didn't doubt about my intention about when I was trying to file a claim. So that's the one positive thing I would say. Because generally what happens whenever we try to contact any of the other insurance provider, they generally ask you lots of questions and they try to discard the rest of the things. But here I think it was pretty straightforward. I didn't have to connect multiple times. Only once I tried to call them, and it was been taken care of. So that's all.